Hi, welcome to another episode of Funny Finance Guy. And in this episode, we will learn to put an Amazon link into your YouTube video. Just a quick background on why you want to put a link is to enable you to start earning income from any recommendations you make. May it be a book, may it be a cooking utensil, it could be all sorts. But for this channel, we're going to focus on how to do recommendation on books. So let's start. The first thing you should do is click this particular button over here, which says Amazon Associates. Go to Product Linking and go to the tab that says Product Links. So I just finished a book summary on this book called Atomic Habits. So we just move to the search bar over here and type Atomic Habits. Click go. And we can see a list of products which is labeled Atomic Habits. I checked why is there a difference between the $16 and the $14.99. And the difference is one is the actual book while the other is the Kindle version. So when we click over here, we will get the product description. And when we click get link, we will get a relatively long link. Having said that, to get a short link which is suitable for your YouTube video, you can click this arrow over here and you click this button that says shorten URL and you have a summarized version of the link. Copy this and go to the video which you want to post. So I will post the link over here and I'll hit next, and I will publish the video right now. So to see whether the link works, we just click view on YouTube. Hi, welcome. Once you're in the video, let us scroll down and you will see the link over here. Let's click the link. And there we go. You will reach the Amazon page with the book over here. And if somebody were to buy this book, you will get a small commission fee. And if you're a bookworm trying to monetize on your reading habit or your reading passion, this would be one of the better ways. I thank you so very much for watching another episode of the Funny Finance Guy. And click subscribe if you think this is useful. And stay tuned to get more tips on how to earn more passive income in the future episodes ahead. Thank you.